Things about trading Forex is that you don't actually know exactly which trade is going to be a crazy winner or just another loss.
What's up, everybody? We are currently live.
We're taking away the weekly.
Trace back down to what we've got. Confidence that price is going to be bullish.
Point sort of chasing the market. I was more than happy to stay flat.
Hello everyone. With the kangaroo tail.
Always recommend trading on the 5 minute.
Some of these exotic pairs and pretty steady uptrend, making these higher highs and higher.
Mostly trend following.
The stimulus in a certain way.
Well, it's been a rough morning. Rough morning. Yesterday I had a $700 day. Today I'm already down 200. I was in a bunch of sells on here and then boom. Crazy reversal. Massive stop hunt maybe. Maybe it is going to be a sell all the way back down. Look at all those wicks. I might try to sell off that move. Could be forming a little support right there, though. There's some bullish divergence, though. That's interesting. Bullish divergence now shooting up. I thought it was going to maybe make like an M, maybe drop, but now it's wicking. See, it's weird movement today. You got a bearish kangaroo tail right there. Master Raja, you think it's still a buy up to 15,000? I think both a buy and a sell are tempting, and that's a problem. Let's clean up this area. I mean, we still got the open price down here too, so I think I will buy if we make new highs. I think that'd be fair enough. Because you still got that like possible M movement, but for a buy, I'm gonna wait to see if we make new highs. And Apple is just shooting up. It's actually going to go up to yesterday's high. But Apple's going to be on some resistance in a minute. Summers, you mean you got a TP at 1580? Looks like my damn chart froze too. This is like the third time it's happened this morning. Oh, there we go. I don't know if it's my internet cord or what. Unless this happened to a lot of you. Whose chart is freezing? This is the third time it's done it to me. See, what the fuck is going on today? This movement doesn't make sense. Here, I thought it was going to go up and then boom. A lot of you think it's a buy though, but I don't know. I think it just might tank. But I'm seeing all these different stop hunts happening. It's just a weird day. Yeah, a little bit of news. I don't know. I might try to put a sell in. Like, I'm liking the zone down here, which would be the open. That blue line that I got down there. This is the open price right here, which should be a pretty nice trade. If I get in now and it just drops there, could use this wick as a stop loss. Yeah, I could use that as a stop loss point. All right. I'm going to go for the scalp. I'm going to risk about 40. TP is going to be down at the open price down here, which should be not bad. You know, going for 3 Rs right here. And I don't need this zone right here, 14,858. We don't need that. Come on, guys. Can we get 3 Rs? I think that's fair enough for a stop loss. If I go any higher, then I'm barely only going for like 1 R. And I hate 1 Rs. Only issue though, Apple needs to drop right now. Need to see a couple of stocks drop. Well, price is definitely liking my entry as support, of course. So close to my stop, though. Apple, Amazon, Tesla sometimes. But for a quick reference, I just like to glance at Apple more, just as a quick glance. And we need to break out of the support zone ASAP. Well, shit. Wow, nothing's working out today. I'm 0-5. After $700 day yesterday, I'm down 300 today. Whew. So since I'm down 300, I'm cutting my lot sizes in half immediately. Rough day. Rough day. God, so annoyed right now. I swear, some trading days are like that. Like, no matter what you try, not even one trade is going to work out. Yeah, today is definitely not a good day to be trading. There's so many sporadic movements. I'm going to have to look at USD CAD or something. See if something else looks better for a scalp. No, this doesn't look much better. How about Bitcoin? Everything right now pretty much looks choppy. Even Bitcoin. Apple's choppy. Yeah, damn. US30 the past like 30 minutes. Not going anywhere. See, look how tempting it looks to pile in sells right now. Look how tempting that looks. Doesn't look tempting to just put a small stop loss in? And that's why we don't put a sell on a tempting looking trade. Stop hunt galore. Was there a lot of different contradicting news going on? I mean, the only headline I saw today was, where's it at? Who knows? Maybe the next trade I take, I'll back 300. And it'll be break even for the day. It could happen. I just don't see any entry in sight. Unless a new high is made, which I said like 20 minutes ago. If a new high is made, then I will consider buying. Until then, I'm not doing anything. Geez, look at these moves. I mean, the only news on like Fox Business is stocks rebound. I don't know why that's on Fox Business. What will happen to R. Kelly's music following guilty verdict? Why is that on the front page of Fox Business? Well, because it's Fox, of course. Stock traders step in after rout as bonds rebound. Retail traders stick to dip buying. Well, I mean, isn't that the most obvious headline? Like, of course, everybody wants to buy the perfect dip, right? Isn't that the buyer's job? Find that dip anyways. See, now this would have been an easy trade for buyers. All they had to do was stick a stop under here, and boom. But I think this could have gone both ways. This could have gone both ways. Yeah, look, that would have, boom, enough momentum for the other way. Hence, if a new high is made, we may be able to catch the move up to 15,000. Which would be close to, it looks like, 800 pip trade. 700. I mean, look, there's so many sell signals right there. You had a trend line forming. You had a bunch of kangaroo tails. But, I mean, was that a bullish flag? I don't know. Maybe. We'll see. So this is where I'll basically buy 14,930. I want to see price break a new high. I'm not used to gold, so I don't have good insight on gold. Gold screwed me a lot, so I stopped trading it. If I get this entry right, I could risk about 20 and go for 200. I mean, who knows? We might get another random blast up like this. It is a possibility, right? Shit, when I zoom out though, when I zoom out, an M sticks out to me right away. But it could go both ways. I mean, we do got a sell setup, but I'm more bullish. Yeah, I think I'm bullish. Even though, I mean, shit, there's a lot of setups. I think that's an issue when I see both buys and both sell setups. But my first analysis was 15,000. I think that's the one I got to stick with. Though maybe I could actually sell if price breaks these lows here or the support. Yeah, that'll be my game plan. If we make new lows where the support is, I'll put the sell in. If we make new highs, I'll put the buy in. I'll let the market tell me what it's going to do. Even though I do see an M there, I mean, you could technically have a stop loss here. But if you guys see bearish or I don't, I mean, have your stop above the high. That's where I would put a stop if I was in for a sell right now. But I'd rather wait. I'd rather wait for prices to break. Raja, you think something's gonna happen in the next 2 minutes? Is there news coming out in 1 minute or something? See, look at these movements. These random dumps. I did say I will sell if we make a new low. Yeah, I'm gonna sell because that was my game plan. I said I'm only risking 20. TP is gonna be down here for 6 hours. Normally I would be risking 40, but cut my positions in half. I'm already down today. So I want to keep the losses to a minimum. Come on, market. If you fake me out, you've only taken 20 from me. All right, we're up 1 hour. As you know, I do not care about 1 hour. I like to go for minimum 4 or 5 hours. I think I should set break even on this though. Yeah, we're up 2 hours now. Yeah, I'm gonna go break even on this. We're up 2 hours. This blue line is the open price. Keep that in mind. Do not be surprised if it rejects off here and hits your stop loss. Because it's a very strong, you can use the open price as very strong support or resistance. But I want my TP down here. If that is news volume right here, then we need that shit to keep going down. Come on, NASDAQ, do it for the stream. I want to hit this 6-hour trade. We're up 2 hours. If you guys are up 2 hours and you're cool with profit, close that shit. I'm holding out for TP down here, which is like 14,810. Yeah, my TP is 14,807 to be exact. I think we're playing off support now. Right at the open price. Can we get lucky and spike down? I think I'll trade Dow more on micro E-mini futures. I'm still in the process of getting a futures broker account. I didn't realize if you trade in micro E-mini futures, there's no spread. Well, it's much more harder to get approved for a futures broker. USA regulations is so dumb. I don't sound like 5 things. NASDAQ, are you gonna do the heartbreaker and hit our break even? All right, for our trade to win here, if you haven't already closed, we need Apple to make a new low. I mean, a new recent low. Right here. If Apple goes red on this next candle, NASDAQ's gonna fly down. Don't tell me my charts are frozen again. Yep, my charts are frozen. Except this one, the LMFX account. Alright. I always have two brokers open. Have about 2,000 on this account. 2,500 on this one. Oh my god, that's so gross. That's so gross. That is so gross. We're still alive, barely. Barely. Roger, I won't be surprised if my TP is smashed in like 2 candles. And I won't be surprised if my break even is smashed in the next 10 seconds. Like I want to be on the right side of the sporadic movement. I want to see a random red push like this. That's what I want to see. I want to see a move as big as this, and we just smash our TP. Come on, NASDAQ. We trust that you will break a new low right here. Guys, I feel like it's just going to tank down. I don't think break even's going to get hit. I think it's going to tank down. See, Apple's having a little bit of indecisiveness right now. It's just chilling at 143.77. Let's draw some little zones right here. Come on, Apple, show more red. Make those apples fall. Ah, shit. You know what might happen? It might just go sideways for like the next 30 minutes like it did earlier this morning. Where it didn't really do anything. I mean, we basically haven't really moved in the past 2 hours. Yeah, we're in the same price as like 2 hours ago. There we go. We're back over 2 hours. But I don't want 2 hours. I said I want 6 hours. I want 6 hours. Risking 20 for 120. Oh, shit. I feel like these are the toughest trades where you just gotta watch it grind out. Like we've been sideways for like 10 minutes. We had the absolutely perfect entry Like, we couldn't have timed that any better. You know, I feel like it's easier to get $500 trades when you're sleeping. I've had the most $500 trades when I sat at TP right before I went to bed, and I'd wake up to a $500 trade. I feel like it's harder to have a $500 trade when you're staring at it on the 1 minute. But since I've been waking up to a lot of $500 trades, I've been thinking, why don't I just set a trade and don't run any take profit? Because both times I've hit $500 trades, if I didn't have a TP, I'd wake up to at least $1,000 running. But then you run the risk of not getting anything. So last night I set a sell on my LMFX account, risk like 50. I didn't run any TP zone, but yeah, I didn't wake up to a win. But I was like, yeah, I'll just set no TP. I've seen NASDAQ gas during London. Yeah, where's that trade at? Yeah, this one. Put it on the chart, actually. Yeah, so Monday night, I put a sell in here. I was playing some Call of Duty. I put a sell after I noticed prices right here. Chilling. So I put a small stop loss right above these candles. And look, it price almost came back down and took me out, but boom, smashed it. I risked 50 on that trade for 500. So smashed 10 R's on that. But as you see, if I didn't run any TP, look how much profit I'd be waking up to. If I did not run a TP, I'd be having at least a $2,000 trade. Shit, did we just get stopped? Did we just get stopped? We did. Damn, took out my break even. Today is not the day to trade. That's all I gotta say. Every setup I've seen has failed. I guess that's what the market does. When you have a fire day, like you make $700 in a couple hours, the next day the market's gonna come back and slap you and be like, yo, sit back down. Sit back down. You need a few more losses, and they'll give you another $700 day. This is not tradable. If you win a trade today, I think it's because of luck. JP Morgan's Diamond says U.S. default would be potentially catastrophic event. Not really any interesting news. Sponsored stories. Invest 500 crypto and get a bonus 50. I'd be like, I make my own bonus. Get the crypto, get the 100% gain. You don't need the $50 bonus. And look at Bitcoin. Bitcoin still chop. Fourth quarter of Bitcoin. We got a major trend line on that daily approaching. I still think Bitcoin has one more final wave. But what's going to happen is on Bitcoin's final wave, if we're not already in the bear market, Bitcoin's final wave is going to suck in all the newbies, and people like me are going to make them pay. I'm getting out of crypto in December. If crypto does not go up in December, it looks like I'm going to be holding for 2 or 3 more years. But I think we got one more final push up on Bitcoin. Yeah, Devil's Trader. Don't trade anymore today. I'm not placing another trade. Definitely not placing another trade. And cut. You took a gold trade from A1 Trading? You're 400 off it? Very nice, very nice. The last gold trade I placed, I got ridiculously stop hunted, and then price spikes right to my TP. So that was gold saying hi. You took buys down there. Well, when it consolidated. And cut, you took a $400 trade in 1 minute. How much were you risking? Shit. I hope you got a big account. Hope you got a big account. That you double your shit. If you made 400 in a minute. check out the hourly. The hourly looks so gross. I mean, it makes sense the market is choppy today because yesterday it was trending pretty good. Today, it's just very interesting. Yeah, ain't it? That's a pretty good gain, almost 10%. %10 gain. Well, my small account, I'm down 15% today. And that's so weird. Gained 30% yesterday too. Yesterday could have been close to 100%, but that would have required a lot more risk. I'm tempted by another sell. I mean, you got a third trend line touch, but if I sell now, it's obviously too late. I should have recognized the trend line earlier. And I don't want a FOMO sell. I feel like I already missed a move. It's always the small things you notice, like 2 or 3 minutes after they've already happened. But I think that would have been a decent sell setup if you're trading trend lines. Tricky part would be where would be a stop loss though, above this candle or above that high. Yeah, don't trade indices at all during the Asian. Do not do it. You know, Bitcoin is holding that price well on the daily. Where's that at? Like 40, yeah, it's holding 40,000. I mean, look how many times it's rejected. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 times it's rejected off 40,000. I mean, is it time for Bitcoin to pump up? If Bitcoin does pump up, I'm going to feel bad for all the newbies who are buying Bitcoin at 85K. Those newbies are going to be buying, they're going to be buying Bitcoin for me because I'm going to be selling that shit. It's funny, one of the fake Forex gurus on YouTube was talking about a crypto coin. He posted it in March. I knew it was a pump and dump, and that coin dropped 99%. And the guy, I won't give any names, but the guy deleted his video and then claimed he was a 7-figure crypto trader. Like, how you get to claim you're a 7-figure crypto trader when you put out a video on a pump and dump and it drops 99%? 99% drop. That's what you gotta look out for crypto. That gets you with that. Don't buy anything that's gone up 20,000% already. Let it drop 99% and then buy it. Yeah, scam coin, exactly. Think about it. When a YouTuber talks about a coin that's already jumped up like 20, 30,000%, people have already won. People have already won. And the people buying are allowing the whales to get out. We're going to get off the stream here in a couple minutes, but I mean, if you are looking for setups, you could try to play off this trend line. But if you do play off that trend line, have a very small stop loss. Smaller stop loss and you have a higher risk to reward. Yeah, to me it looks like NASDAQ's gonna drop. Let's say it's that trend line again. Master Raja, did you take your profits yet? Are you still in the trade? I mean, if you want to go YOLO, if you're still holding, hold for 15,000. We know NASDAQ loves 15,000. I talk about it all the time. Yeah, if you got the balls to hold, you might be having $1,000 trade. Me, if I was up 500 right now, I'm closing and I'm done trading for the day. I'm cool with 500 a day. Not many jobs can pay you $500 an hour. Unless you're like a doctor or a lawyer. Oh, your stop loss just hit for 400 profit. Still a good day. Beats my day. Well, that trend line is approaching too. It's on a major zone too. 14,900. 14,900. But I doubt I'm gonna take that sell. I mean, I tried to do a lot of trades today. Nothing worked out for me. So I probably will not enter that sell, but if you see bearish movement, go for it. Go for it. All right, guys, we're going to hop off the stream now. Let's get back to it next Wednesday.
Hey guys, thanks for tuning in to today's stream. I hope you enjoyed that. Make sure to follow today's guest, by the way, on social media, and don't forget to subscribe to A1 Trading here on YouTube for more market coverage, trade ideas, and special guests. Our streams are made possible thanks to our sponsors, all of which can be found down below in the description. If you're looking for a new broker, consider checking out the links down below. We've partnered with a few brokers that we think you should check out. By signing up with one of these brokers, our company will receive a small affiliate commission, which does help us stay here on the air creating free stuff for you guys. Thanks again for tuning in, and we'll see you back in the next one.